So guys, the Cred app where I'm registered with my car in its garage section, it reminded me that my pollution certificate is expiring tomorrow. So I'm going to the nearby pollution control center to get a new certificate made so that I can avoid the challan. So let's go there and find out how it is made. So here I am at the pollution control center, and this guy is putting this nice little wire out here which is used for the emission control test, and it goes into this material out here, and this gentleman out here will now take the readings and generate the pollution control certificate. The guy is taking a photograph of the number plate. It's a busy highway, the local lane of NH48 going towards Jaipur, and he's taking the photograph of the number plate on both the sides. And I wonder what this machine looks like. So that's how the machine looks like. And एक बार जरा सॉफ्टवेयर दिखाइए ऐसा कैसा आता है. And here comes the PUC, Pollution Under Control certificate. It's been made for 1 year. This is how the software looks like. इसमें आप क्या करते हैं सॉफ्टवेयर में?
लॉगिन होता है, उसके बाद गाड़ी नंबर डालते हैं.
लॉगिन करने के बाद क्या डालते हैं इसके अंदर? गाड़ी का नंबर, और उसके बाद सब सही आ जाता है इसके अंदर. और जो रीडिंग्स आती हैं वो जो पाइप डाल के किया है वो उसकी रीडिंग कहाँ पर आती है? और मशीन के अंदर आ जाती है यहाँ पर. अच्छा, तो दिस इज द मशीन. So pollution control in India is guided by the BSES or Bharat Stage Emission Standards, which are really the regulations and the rules for the air pollution maintained by the Government of India, by the Pollution Control Board through its Ministry of Environment. And as you can see, my car is undergoing this pollution test, and they are basically for the four-wheelers. There are primarily three kinds of tests which are done. The first is a carbon monoxide test, which measures the efficiency of the combustion engine of the car. The second is the hydrocarbon test, which really tells how much is the unburnt fuel emitted by the car. And the final one is the carbon dioxide test, which really measures how much of an environmental impact is being caused by your vehicles. The BSES, the emission standards, are also known as Bharat Stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In fact, they were adopted as European standards in the year 2000, and latest emission standards called the Bharat Stage 6 were adopted in 2020, which are very stringent. So for example, the Bharat Stage 6 standards say that a four-wheeler should have, for carbon monoxide, not more than 1 gram of emission per kilometer of running. Likewise, we have the hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons should not be more than 0.1 gram per kilometer of running of this kind of a car, which is my Skoda Slavia 1.5. Then there are nitrogen oxides as per BS6 norms. They should not be more than 0.06 grams per kilometer of running. And finally, the particulate matter, which is basically a mixture of the solids and the droplets of liquid emitted by your car, that should not be more than 0.05 grams per kilometer of running. So today we got these standard tests done. We got our pollution certificate for the next 1 year, and now there will be no more challans. In fact, if you don't carry your pollution certificate, the PUC or the pollution under control certificate, then you can be challaned for 1,000 rupees for the first offence, and for subsequent offences you can be challaned for 2,000 rupees. So here we are with Jhilmil getting its latest certificate. We are free for the next 1 year.